How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can create a new workplace in VS Code. So you want to actually open up your VS Code right here. And then once inside, you want to navigate through the file option. So it's going to be this specific button right here. And simply once inside, you have the open workspace from file. You could also click on the add folder to workspace, etc., etc. But if you want to go ahead and create a new workplace, you just want to click on this option, click new profile, and then you have the ability to name this the way you want to. You could also copy from one of your profile sources. You have your contents right here. But generally, after customizing your profile right here or your workplace, you could just click the create button, click on the add folder, and basically from there, you are good to go. This is our second workplace that we could go ahead and customize and use. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.